Well, we're still tracking this stubborn and slow-moving low-pressure system that could bring us a few more isolated strong storms, kind of like yesterday. And we also will be looking at some locally heavy rain with this. Speaking of heavy rain, Nashville, Tennessee, seeing more than 2 inches of total rainfall yesterday. And you can see that things looked pretty soggy even prior to sunrise this morning. So there's Nashville, a little more than 2 inches yesterday. We had more than 1.5 inches in Memphis and Birmingham. Jackson seeing 3.6 inches of rain yesterday, and even 1/2 inch in Jacksonville. So temperatures where it rained and it was cloudy, that's where it was cooler. We had some 60s only there, but some 70s, 80s, and 90s as you headed down into Florida, and that's where temperatures were a little bit above average. Now, as we take a look at the severe threat, just a marginal risk east of Atlanta, heading over to the Augusta region, southern South Carolina. By Tuesday, the threat is lifting a little farther north, and it's just a general thunderstorm threat at this point, and it continues here on Wednesday over the mid-Atlantic states. So the center of that storm system kind of pushing over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley for now. On the eastern flank of that, that's where we're going to have some of the steadiest, heaviest rain. Again, maybe a few isolated strong storms, but as that slow-moving storm system moves east, it will kind of push the heaviest rain along with it. But we still could be looking at some 1 to 2, even isolated 3 to near 4-inch rainfall tallies and decent amounts down into Florida as well. Temperatures out ahead of that front will still be into the 80s, but cooling into the 60s north of that.